Making pizza from scratch is truly a labor of love. Hello friends, hop in, let me show you how I made this delicious turkey pizza, and it's sugar free. So in a bowl, add in all your dry ingredients and then mix together to properly combine. Then go in with your milk and honey. So I'll be using honey in place of sugar. Now with your spatula, continue mixing this. Now at this point, add in your oil. So I use just a teaspoon of oil because this is a cup of flour. Now you can use any flour of your choice. You can decide to use multi-purpose flour. Any type of flour I think would work for this recipe, because I also have a recipe where I use oat flour, but that's an entirely different recipe. So after forming a dough, I'll just cover this to rest for about 30 minutes to an hour, but I didn't have that much patience, so my dough rested for 30 minutes and I'll just transfer this to my line baking tray. Now with my hands, I'll just form the pizza crust. Now I'll poke with my fork, so just make sure to give this crust as many poking as possible so it can bake evenly. Now at this point, I will add in my homemade pizza sauce. You can see that it's so yummy and it's tasty. Then I'll add in my mozzarella cheese, my smoked turkey. Now going my bell peppers, I used 3 colors: green, red and yellow. Then I added more turkey. You can use any topping of your choice. You can use mushroom, any topping of your choice. Now lastly, I added mozzarella cheese. So I'll pop this into the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Just monitor your oven, monitor your pizza. Make sure to check your the temperature of your oven. Our temperature might differ, so just monitor your pizza. Now our pizza is ready. I baked mine for I think 20 to 25 minutes and it was less than 30 minutes and my pizza is ready. Pizza made with love. This pizza was so delicious. So let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe, and thank you for watching.